Hi, thanks for joining Clearwater Pro Wash. We are in the midst of putting down our cleaner to clean the sidewalk, and then we will put a sealer down, and then we are also cleaning and sealing this driveway. We put our cleaner down on the driveway as well. It was pretty black, and we're cleaning up all the organics, the degreaser or grease, and we water in really well beforehand. And then before we start cleaning this area, we rinse down all the plants really well, and then rinse down the concrete, and then we will do our surface scrubbing. So we are going along the edge right now, and then he will do circles. Hey Luke, can you show us how we do circles? So this gives us a double clean, a really nice clean, and without any streaks. Thanks, Luke. So right here, Luke has cleaned, and this was black before we put our cleaner down. As you can see, there's still some spots there. So we're all finished. We'll rinse it all down again, rinse down all the plants and the grass again, and it'll be a nice bright white to put the sealer down. Thank you.